Welcome. Well, my name is Christian Euser. I'm International Business Development Manager at GoConnect. I hear you thinking, what a weird accent. I'm from the Netherlands, so sorry for that. We also always have that Dutch-English accent. This is my company, GoConnect. We have about 40 people and 15 programmers. They are developed from Poland. We have 4 divisions, GIS division and the Mobile Solutions division. That's my division. And we see a lot of potential for our mobile solutions in the UK and in Belgium, and probably also in Denmark and Sweden. Our mission, GoConnect, wants to help the utility companies get the processes and quality of data to a higher level and minimize the number of excavation damages. The reason why I'm here, well, to tell you something about our mobile solutions, but also to share some information about the Dutch market. Also, I want to share something about our best practices in Holland. This is one of our mobile solutions, GoMap Forms. It's a solution for optimizing the work processes of short cyclic work orders. Sounds very difficult. It's about service connections. You can make sketches on a topographical map. And the map is based on coordinates, so you don't need an expensive GPS tracker or something. Well, a short summary. You can make sketches on a topographical surface. The map is based on coordinates, and it's especially designed for the technician in the field. So it has to be very easy to use. We also have a clip application. In Holland, we have a digging request. It's obliged. And the cadastre, it's like the land registry. They deliver all the different plans of all the asset owners in one package. And we made an application for it, so you can see the electricity or gas or water pipelines. We also have some other functionalities in it, like making pictures or open documents and all kind of things. Well, you can use it on your tablets. I don't think this application is very useful for the UK, but the other application, the Sketch application, I think it has a lot of potential for the UK. Some developments in the Netherlands. Well, in 2004 we had a big gas explosion. That was the reason why we innovate our whole system. We had an obliged digging request called CLIck. Well, it means printed plans like this of all the assets in your digging area. There was also a lot of frustrations between contractors and asset owners. My director was a contractor, and he saw a lot of inefficiency during the connection process. That's why the reason why we built the GoMap for our solution. A couple of examples. Well, it took a long time for delivery data. The payment was always after completion of the administrative data, so it took months. There were many failure costs, excavation damage. Yeah, and it was because of the wrong measurements or other faults. There were no standards of output of data, and there was no user-friendly software. After 2010, there was more attention for digitization, but also more hardware like tablets. So it was easier to make an application for it because, yeah, well, there were more tablets. More legislation like the Inspire. Well, the cadastre, we call it cadastre, but it's like the land registry. They made a uniform digital exchange of data application. So you get all the information of all the asset owners in one offline viewer. Well, we are the only country with Belgium who has it this way. So we think there's a lot of potential to develop something like this in the UK. This is an example of the viewer. You can see the different cables and pipelines. And this is an offline viewer, and we made a solution for it, so you can use it on your tablet. It's just very easy to use. And it's always with our solutions, we think it should be easy to use for the technicians in the field. Some facts. Netherlands and Belgium are the only countries with a system like this. We have 600,000 requests for digging in 2017. That's a lot for a small country like the Netherlands. We still have 35,000 excavation damages. And we would like to reduce this to 25,000 in 1 year. How? Well, obliged digging request, click, very important. I don't know if you know line search before you dig. It's something like the cadastre in Holland, but in Holland it's a public organization and it's obliged. Well, we think there should be more awareness, technicians, reliable data from the asset owners, and a good work preparation. Many similarities with how it was in the Netherlands in the UK. That's the reason why we think there is a lot of potential for our solutions. There are missing standards for delivery of data plans, a lot of printed plans, sketches still on paper. So that's the reason why we built the GoMap for solution, so you can do it on a tablet. Not all the underground assets are available on plans, and the number of excavation damages is way too high. The registration of service connections need more attention. It's very important because 50% of the damages is to service connections. Well, what we think about the future, possible solutions, tools like line search before you dig are very important. I think, well, technicians need up-to-date plans to do their work and to reduce excavation damages. And of course, a tool like our tool, GoMap Forms, because it helps to register underground assets and make the process between contractor and asset owners way more efficient. There should also be more attention for service connections, 50% of the damages. Well, if you would like to know more, please come to my stand. I'm next to the bar, so thank you.